they will literally drop everything for you. How to make a specific person want you, need you, desire you, and literally make time for you. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Success Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we are always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers, want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Find out what a mentoring program can mean for your life. We've helped people in 60 different countries with their relationship, with broken marriages, broken relationships, their business, money, finances, you name it, we can help you. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. High flyers, your vibrational energy, what you vibrate, what you feel inside you about yourself, about your life, about your meaning, has the ability to push people away or to draw them toward you. Listen, you have the ability with your vibration to move into alignment with what you deeply desire and make someone, a specific person, want you, miss you, be infatuated with you, can't see you enough, want to call you more often, stop ghosting you. I mean, literally, you can turn the situation around from you wanting and needing and hoping to receiving. Come on. I know everybody says it feels better to give than to receive, but in this case, it feels better to receive. Your ability to be in alignment with a specific person that you desire can easily get them to be loyal to you, to love you and only you, to be honest with you, to build trust with you, to communicate with you, to even want to be married to you. Now, high flyers, I'm going to share some ideas with you, so be sure and watch this video all the way to the end. Now, pull out your notebook and your pen and write this down. Better yet, go down to the tattoo parlor and have it tattooed on your arm or your forehead. Circumstances do not matter in the 3D world. Look, you might have all kinds of negative circumstances right now. They do not matter. What matters is your vibration and your ability to move into alignment with what you desire. Your situation is less important than your vibration. Say this to yourself right now. I have the magnetic ability to have them dropping everything in their life for me, even if they're not in contact with me, even if there's a third party, even if we're broken up, even if they're ghosting me. I have the magnetic ability to have them drop everything to be with me. High flyers, make a commitment to yourself right now that you're going to focus less on the physical world, the 3D world, and more on alignment with your desires. You're going to focus on that specific person, not the way they currently are, not their current behavior, but on the way you desire them to treat you. Did you hear that? You're going to focus on the way you desire them to treat you. You see, when you move into alignment with what you desire and you start thinking from that perspective and feeling from that perspective rather than looking at the 3D world and being discouraged, then everything begins to change. You become the magnet and they become drawn to you. So high flyers, as your vibration moves upward, as you move more in alignment with the optimum outcome that you desire, the optimum person you desire to be with, even if they're not acting that way now, things will begin to change. That's when you need to cut down the contact. Slow it down. Sometimes you hear people talk about a 30-day no contact. I don't have any hard, fast rules, but what I will say is spend more time thinking about yourself, about your dreams, your goals, your desires, about how special and wonderful you are. Spend more time thinking about your expected outcome. So high flyers, you need to understand, this is a manifesting process. We're not wiggling our nose. We're changing everything from the inside out. So enjoy the process and focus less on the outcome. The outcome will come as a result of you just relaxing and focusing on the process. Now, here's a little trick I want you to start employing. Every day, see yourself standing face to face with the one you desire. And then visualize yourself getting larger and larger and larger until the person that you desire is very small and their voice is very high. What this is doing is it's reprogramming your subconscious mind to put you in a position of magnetic power in regards to them. Next, throughout the day, high flyers, invest in gratitude, even for just 2 minutes. Focus on abundance. Focus on how grateful you are that you feel so much bigger and better about yourself, and that they are chasing you and wanting you and craving you and dropping everything for you. Your specific person is there to please you. So as you continue doing this process, high flyers, you're naturally going to detach from wanting. You're going to detach from needing. You're going to detach from a lack mentality. And the more you detach, the more they will become drawn to you, even if you are not in contact right now. And finally, shift your thinking from I want, I hope, maybe someday, I wish, to I have, and I expect. Expect it. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey. Begin by focusing